Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. A quick intro. I am here to help you win. Now, and of course, the ideas I share, the strategies I share, you probably have 1,000 different alternatives to it, right? And you probably have better solutions than I'm suggesting. Regardless, you don't have my results. And if you do, congratulations. If you did it in a different way, congratulations equally. But if you don't, you probably need to put your head down and listen to what I have to say, right? This is meticulously recorded progress that I was doing because I knew I will attract you at some point, and you will need as much advantage as I have enjoyed building this. Are you getting it? So get down to business, drive yourself through it, learn, and learn. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm always open for questions. You can email me or reach out to me on any of the contacts I'll put on the screen. I have your best interest. I hope that you work with me so we can make this world better. Thank you. Hi, my name is Coach Moxie. Welcome to my tutorial on how to win on PosterMyWall. We are now in a new section of this training, which I call what this is or what it isn't. Now I'm going to break into the first topic on that, which is it is not a freelance situation. I cannot say this enough. This is not a freelance gig. It's very, very, very different. Of course, I will tell you what it looks like, so that if it's not what it is for you, you can at least leave it. It's not a freelance situation. A freelance situation is your client. There's an interaction. You have a brief. At least you know the scope of what you're trying to achieve in a design and what not due to the brief you have. Are you getting it? You have a deadline. And you have feedback loop, so that when you have done something, you get it across to your client. Your client tells you what is still missing or what is not there or what is there, and then you're constantly trying to close that feedback. But this is not that. It's not at all. Because one thing is that PosterMyWall does not have any form of deadline. I'm telling you, and I will explain what it is in another topic. But they have no form of deadline. They have left that whole thing deadline up to you. You decide if you should have 500 or 1,000 designs on your store. All they know is that you can only publish 3 designs a day. They have no form of deadline. It is you that decides, do you want to publish 3 designs every day for the rest of this year and hit 900, maybe 1,000 or something designs a year? You decide. They do not have a brief for you. In fact, they have in a way of guidance on that inside tab, some things that they have, come to see that people are searching. But they have no reins. They're not saying that is exactly what you should do. If you believe there is an area or that there is a gap you can fill, you should fill it. But they don't have brief for you. And that presents a unique issue, because now, of course, you can get maybe 10, 15 designs unique. But with that brief, 500 designs in 1 year, oh shit. You start to see a lot of people whose store is consistently producing the same thing, just different color, sometimes a little different arrangement, just trying to populate their store. And I think that this is wrong, because you are assuming that PosterMyWall is the one using your template and not a client, not somebody who is a novice, who is a business owner, a bank owner, a shop owner, a social media influencer who just wants to promote what they are doing. So that whole number game, sure, number can give you visibility, but it's not going to get you sales if you're sacrificing quality and uniqueness, and you're taking away from the quality of your concept just because you're playing number game. You are I don't even know how to begin to say that. But let me step away from that a bit. It is not a freelance situation, and you're not being paid one large sum in one job. No. I see people complaining over and over again in the store, in the community, saying how they should be paid even if it is $0.00000 in the designs that are being used. How they should be? How is it that this is not a freelance situation? I'm telling you the honest truth. So if it's a freelance situation you're looking for, jump onto Fiverr, jump onto Upwork, go there. There are better experiences. You can have better freelance experience there than you would here. It's not the freelance situation. It isn't. What it looks like, I'm not going to definitely say what it is, but I'm going to tell you what it looks like. So at least you can begin to adjust yourself. It is not a freelance situation. You understand? Good. I think I shouldn't spend much time here. That should help you once you've gotten to know that this is not a freelance situation. It really isn't. Are you getting it? All the challenges you're facing is because you're probably a freelancer and you're thinking you're going to get this will create a freelance situation for you. Of course, there is an option for somebody to hire you from your store and all of that. It's not a freelance situation. Are you guessing it? It's not. Thank you.